So for this dish, we're going to be starting out with 2 pieces or 3 of boneless chicken. You can use skin-on chicken or whatever. The main idea here is we want to cut it in smaller pieces or a thinner piece so that it'll cook faster. Okay, so this has obviously the bone has been removed, and so I'm just gonna throw some slices here to get access to the thicker parts of meat, and then put it in our bowl. Okay. Uh, you can cut it all the way through and do strips if you prefer. Like if you're gonna eat it with chopsticks or a small fork, you might want to have it already pre-cut. Okay. So this is 2 pieces, which is an adequate amount for most people. You can add more, but you don't want to overflow the dish. Okay. As far as flavorings, you can just pour some soyu over it. If you're doing the more traditional Chinese chicken, you need a sweet soy glaze. You can also just pour oyster sauce, which is, I know, your favorite. Uh, Oyster sauce with a little bit of 5 spice and a little bit of anise. Or you can go with a barbecue chicken, which is what I plan to do here for your brother. He likes his barbecue chicken, so I'm just gonna pour this on top. And how much you want is up to you. Okay. And just mix it around just to get it evenly covered. And that's it. That's it. And all you do is you place this in your steaming pan, and I'll have this covered, and then you cook your rice. And depending on how much rice you're cooking, if this is a 5-cupper, so if I cook 3 cups in here, that's enough time to cook this chicken. It's only 2 pieces, so it'll cook pretty much in that time. If it doesn't, you can always throw it in the microwave to finish it off, or leave it on warm after it's cooked. Leave it on warm, and the residual heat that this keeps it going, leave it another 15 minutes and it'll cook all the way through from the heat from the rice and also this warm. Okay. If you just, like here in this demonstration, I'm just using plain water. I'm just using as a steaming base. I'm gonna let this cook until it's done. You can always just check it and check the chicken if it's still raw or something like that. Okay. But generally speaking, 15 to 20 minutes steaming is enough, more than enough time to cook it all the way through. Now, if you have chicken in a bone and you have not cut it, it's going to take a lot longer, maybe up to 30 minutes. So you just need to check it and gauge the amount of time, so the next time you make this dish, you know exactly how much to do.